have here Mislena olives. And you have here like a seafood stew. Wow. Yeah, right.
Nakita niyo naman guys kung gaano talaga ka-soft yung meat, di ba? Doon sa video. So, effortless na strip mo yung meat of bones. Yan. May sauce pa ako. Sasarap. And then, yun nga, sabi ng asawa ko, masarap daw, yummy.